For this installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. Begin by taking off the dome light cover. Use your trim tool to pry free one side and then slide it around the edge to remove it. You can see here how the tabs lock it in place. Remove the incandescent bulb and replace with the LED. Remove the incandescent bulb on the other side and replace with the LED. Test it and then replace the cover. Push in the back and then the front. You can see the LED measures twice as bright as the incandescent bulb. And look how much brighter the LED is compared to the incandescent.